Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is this cool, amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what these are some Reed diffuser refills that you can use. So if you guys already have the product with the bottle and everything, you basically just need to buy these refills to refill it. Unless if you guys still want like the plant, like the lavender or whatever, then you probably want to buy the actual product itself with everything on it. But if you guys don't really care about that and you just want the refill for the actual product itself, then you need to get one of these right here. And obviously for these refills, they come in different sets as well. I believe there's like the black cherry, the floral ones, the rose one. So they do provide you guys instruction on how to refill it and how to use it right here. If you guys are wondering how to refill it, it's pretty straightforward. But first thing first, I'm going to open the product to show you guys what it actually looks like first and what is included inside. So when you guys first open up, you guys can see that is basically what it looks like inside. So they do provide you guys 3 of everything because this is a 3-pack. So you can see they provide you guys 3 of these right here, and each one has 5 of them. And then they have 3 of these bottles. So here's the 3 bottles. You can see this is basically what it looks like. So you just basically want to pour these formulas into the actual bottle itself. If you guys already have like the original Reed diffusers itself, if you guys don't have it yet, then you probably want to purchase it before purchasing this product itself. So that way you guys have the bottle to actually refill it. But that is basically everything that's included in the package itself. So obviously I like the product a lot because it smells really good and definitely give you guys that aromatherapy that you guys want. Let me actually go bring this over to show you guys how to refill the product itself. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so the first thing you guys want to do is to open up the actual product itself. And also the little cap that we have here, so that we can actually pour it into the actual bottle itself. Alright, so what we're doing now is pouring it into the bottle. If you can see, it's pretty easy. Alright, so once you guys finish putting the actual liquid or formula inside, you guys want to put everything back in, just like right here. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the actual product itself. You can definitely see that it's pretty straightforward and really easy to refill it. Like I mentioned earlier, you just have to open up the bottle itself and then pour the liquid or the formula into your bottle itself that you guys originally have when you guys purchase it. And then just stick the Reed inside, and then you're all set. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did the unboxing and testing of the actual product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I definitely have to say that any of these Reed diffusers or the refills itself are super worth it if you guys do want one. Especially like I mentioned earlier, if you guys want to get that aromatherapy, then these are pretty nice to have anywhere you guys want to. Whether you guys want to put it at home, in the office, or wherever, they all work really, really well. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.